So you want to get started in trading in 2022. You've seen some videos online, you may have always had an interest in it, but you've never actually taken that step, and now you are ready to. Let's talk about some things that you should know about the industry you're about to get into, and hopefully it will help you in your trading journey. Hi guys, my name is Ryan. I've been a trader now for 7 years. I make content about trading and financial literacy. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the sub button. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like button. It helps me with the channel. Right, so you are ready to get started in trading. What can you expect? Number one, it's not a get rich quick scheme. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. I know you've probably seen some content online for people telling you how easy it is, but unfortunately the reality is not the case. Yes, there is massive financial rewards of positive, consistent, profitable trading, but there's also very real drawdowns. And those drawdowns involve a loss of a lot of money, like I did when I was learning how to trade. For us as traders, compound interest is the wonder of the world. What we're trying to do is grow our wealth over a long period of time. Now we have that from an investment standpoint, stocks, index funds, etc. Traders are trying to do it quicker than the traditional sense. If you think about the S&P 500, over the past 96 years, it's averaged 10 to 11%. Now as a trader, for me personally, I like to try and double that per year. Obviously, any more than that, I'm very happy with. Another thing you might not know about profitable trading is the saying, good trading is boring trading. Now, for me as a swing trader, I'm only taking maybe 5 to 10 trades per month. So it's not like what you see in the movies where it's up and down, people are on the phones, etc. It's actually completely the opposite. Good trading is boring trading. Trade less to make more. Now don't get me wrong, I love what I do. I absolutely love scanning the markets in the morning. I love taking trades. I love beating the market. It's great. But it's not like what you see in the movies. I think you'll find as you go through your journey, the best traders seem to be the ones that trade less rather than those that have to be in a trade every single day. And I'll give you an example. When I was learning how to trade, I was in a trade all the time. I wanted to be in a trade because it was fun, it's exciting. But as I've progressed over the years, I've learned that my percentage return is the most important thing. And I make more returns trading less and picking better trades than being in a trade every single day. So just remember that saying, trade less, make more. Number three, equity is so important. Now, equity is how much money you have in your trading account. Full-time traders, they risk a certain percentage of that equity on each trade. Now you find the vast majority of profitable traders will risk anywhere between 0.25% to 3% per trade. So if you have a $100,000 trading account, that 3% will obviously be $3,000, the 1% will be $1,000, etc., etc. And profitable traders will never deviate from that. And why I'm saying equity is so important, because if we try to aim for 10 to 40% a year, that 10 to 40% is obviously a lot more on a $100,000 account than it is on a $1,000 account. Now, don't get too worried. I know you might be thinking there sitting, but I don't have $100,000. What am I supposed to do? This is where funded companies come in. So companies like FTMO, like StockNet Institute, like My Forex Funds, if you are a talented trader, they will give you that equity to trade off. But remember, you have to be profitable and consistent before you start one of those funded challenges. If you want to know more details on those funded companies, check the link down below. There's a video there you can check out. Number four, you don't have to be super smart to know how to trade. It is truly a game where anyone can succeed if you work hard enough. I'm certainly not the smartest person in the world. I've just worked hard at what I do. Yes, you can say there's maybe some benefit to those with more of a mechanical mind and more of an analytical mind. However, good trading for me simply comes down to hard work. And added on to that, trading doesn't have to be complicated. The methods that I use to trade profitably are very simple and anybody can learn them. Anybody can give you the blueprint for profitable trading. It's up to you to implement that blueprint correctly. Number five, trading is mostly psychology. It's this, mindset. There's a saying that trading is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. Now you, if you are completely new to trading, may not understand that, but what you have to think about is we are playing with money here. So if you think about money going up and down, losing money potentially for a while, gaining a lot of money, that's a very emotional thing to go through. So handling those emotions are what's going to make you successful or not. And it's also the biggest reason why I wasn't successful for such a long time, because I couldn't master those emotions. And it does take time and it does take experience to get those emotions under control. Personally, I think the two biggest characteristics that great traders have is patience and discipline. We have to be patient to wait for the right setups, We gotta be disciplined in sticking to our strategy. Now that brings me on to my final point about a strategy. The vast majority of successful and profitable traders will have their own personal strategy. So what am I talking about? A strategy is a set of rules that a trader implements in order to enter or exit or manage a trade. So if you take pilots, for example, before a plane takes off, the pilot has to conduct a pre-flight checklist, right? Where he ticks the boxes to make sure everything is working okay. Now, as somebody who's scared of flying, I'm glad that they do that. But they have to check to make sure the planes are working order, everything's safe, that we can take off and fly to the next destination. Now, that's very similar to trading. We have an entry checklist of exactly what we are looking at in order to enter, manage, and exit a trade. So we essentially do the same things day in, day out, i.e. we have our slight edge and we play that edge over the long run. Now this is where things get interesting because you may see online people that claim to have what's called the holy grail. And unfortunately, it doesn't exist. There's no such thing that's going to make you thousands of % every single day or double your money every single day. It just doesn't exist. They put that out there in order to sell whatever they want to sell and make money from people that believe it. I wish it was true, but unfortunately it isn't. There's lots of strategies that have a slight edge out there. You've got to find the one that works best for you and your personality. Now the reason why I say you've got to pick a strategy that resonates with you is because everybody has a different personality. Everybody sees the market in a different... when I have a bias that the Euro USD should be going up, somebody else who's still profitable has a bias that Euro USD should be going down. Again, trading is about you and what you see. So embrace your personality, embrace the way you look at markets, and find a strategy that works with you, that you really resonate with. Because what will happen after time is you modify that strategy to your liking until you get it exactly how you want. So to recap on the points that I've talked about, I will do another video on this because there's a few more that I do want to say. If you want to see that, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, remember to smash like. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I will do another video like this because there's a few other points I'd like to talk about. If you're completely new to trading and you're looking for some guidance, check the links down below. We give away 7 days completely free at Simplicity Trading. And if not, I'll see you in the next video, and always remember to trade safe. Peace.